beer is still cold. Something terrible must have happened here. No. Stevie, I was never here.
I'm here. Hey. Seems like just yesterday you guys used to come out to watch me work.
Dad, we can't believe you're selling the house.
Well, it's time for a new family to start their memories here. And hopefully, their check will clear before they find the crack in the foundation and the asbestos in the ceiling.
Let's grab ourselves, get the hell out of here.
I'm sorry we can't store your childhood things anymore.
Oh, it's okay. I can't wait to see everything again, all the memories.
Well, I don't know what's in the boxes down here, but I do know that there are 6 or 7 easy bake ovens in the attic.
I used to love to play restaurant.
Not as much as you love to play uncooked batter eater.
It is unreasonable to expect a child to wait for a light bulb to cook brownies.
So, I think your boxes are over here.
Oh, great. Hey. Dad, whose cigarettes are these?
I don't know. They must be your mother's. But please don't ask her. I'll throw these away.
Cool, Dad, my report cards. Oh, check this out, Dad. Math, A. Science, A. History, A. Gym. Ooh, my rock polisher.